What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another day, another adventure. I'm Dev, these are my adventures. I'm an Orlando-based flight attendant for a US domestic carrier, and it is 2023. This is my first video in 2023. I was sick all last week, which was something in itself. I did a turn on Monday, and then there was nothing available today. I almost picked up premium. I put in for it, but I didn't get it. So now we are getting ready for our first 2-day trip of the year. It's a trip that we used to go on all the time. It's that Cincinnati 2-day. It's like Cincy, Fort Myers, Cincy overnight, one leg home the next day, or vice versa. It's a poorly credited trip. It's a good crew, and there was nothing else on these 2 days that I needed. So I will be working a 10-hour 2-day, which is very low for what I do these days. I normally work 6 hours in a day. So I'm doing laundry, and I have some right there. I have like all of my bed sheets in and everything. I placed a Target pickup order because, you know, we are on our salad journey. We are trying to be salad girlies. We've been trying since November, and we've done pretty good. I think we've done like 6 weeks of salads for lunch. Well, I placed my Target pickup order for 2 salads, some coffee so we don't spend money on our trip, and some cutting boards because I have food out that I'm gonna meal prep for this trip. The goal is to prep 2 salads. I got a Nashville hot chicken salad. Hopefully they have it. And then I ordered Casey a salad. For dinner, I'm gonna have sheet bake. I make this all the time. I'm very simple when it comes to food that I eat. I wouldn't say I'm a picky eater, but I'm a very plain eater. So I'm just gonna have chicken, veggies, potatoes for dinner tomorrow. I'll have this salad twice. I might make a second dinner also for tomorrow because my report time isn't even until 7:30, 7:42. So we'll probably take a 7 p.m. van. I'll have time to eat dinner, and then I'm done at 11 p.m. on Thursday. It's just one flight. I have a 23-hour layover. So I think that's what we're gonna do, but I gotta wait till all of that is thawed and ready for me to go. So for the holidays, I do turns, and this bag just lives in my car and never leaves. There's not much in here because I did stay at a friend's house for New Year's and I used this. And I also got stuck in Mexico, which if you guys didn't see that vlog, I will post it on the screen in front of you. If you're new here, this is my get ready room. It's just the guest bedroom with a vanity. And I sleep in here quite often when I have to get up before like 4 a.m. because I don't want to interrupt Casey. I have a pretty good crew. I've flown with all of them before. They're all very chill flight attendants, which I appreciate. I'm excited because I've been working with like the same 30 people doing my turns every single day for the holidays. My necessary duty items in here, which they have to stay in there. Jacket. I'm going to be in Cincinnati, so I will probably need this. My toiletries. Makeup wipes. I don't use those. I'm going to throw those away. A sleeping mask. Some pens. Then here is all my chargers. I got new chargers for Christmas. I have my battery pack for work. Let's see if this is still charged. It is. So far in here, I have all of my chargers. This is my toiletry bag. These are required duty items, these papers, and my handcuffs over there. And then in here, all I have is joggers and this Buc-ee's t-shirt and a pair of underwear. So I actually need to put pajamas in here and maybe a going out outfit, even though I'm planning on staying in. I actually have quite a bit of computer work to do, so I need to grab my computer and my computer charger because we are entering in our 4th year at our airline. Like, that is so crazy. I'm hoping I'm breaking into the 200s because when I started in 2019, in the summer of 2019 in Orlando, I was number 705 in Orlando, and I think I'm like 306 right now. Hopefully I will be like 300 or like 299 when we bid in a few days. And I will do a whole video on bidding because I actually haven't done that in quite a few years. I need to add PJs, maybe a going out outfit, even though I don't plan on going out. I need to get my computer work done on this layover. I just went and picked up my Target pickup order. So I got cutting boards because for as much as Casey cooks, he actually doesn't have cutting boards like this. We just have the wooden one. So I got this. My salad, this should be enough for 2 days, hopefully. I got Casey a salad. This should be enough for 2 days for him. I got myself this because this I'll probably get 4 coffees out of, and it is the same price as like 1 coffee at Starbucks. I'm going to start meal prepping now that I have everything that I need. Cue the montage. A couple hours later, I'm packaging up Casey's lunch for tomorrow because he forgets things. So I made breakfast casserole over the weekend. Yes, I made something. And he is gonna have tamales for lunch, so I cut out the instructions for him. So we're gonna pack this in here. Do you use silverware? Okay. Put this in the fridge. I got this subtly sweet coffee from Target. Starbucks? Yeah, because I figured this is $5.49 and the price of 1 drink at Starbucks is $5.49.
$500.
So this at least gets me like 3 coffees. Do we have a funnel available? Are you...
I can get it for you and you're gonna be like, this is gonna be stupid.
Ready? I think that's good. You think that's like 12 ounces?
How much does the bottle say?
The bottle is 16, isn't it? Yeah, it's 16. So I use the caramel macchiato from Starbucks because I am not vegan, but I try to consume dairy-free. Because I don't know if I'm lactose intolerant, but it does take an effect on me. So we try to eat only, well, I try to eat non-dairy everything in my house. I'm hopeful that this will just be sweet enough for me to drink on its own. So I got coffee, creamer, my salads. I put my chicken in there. I have half of an avocado here. I think that's gonna be like a big ingredient. And then over here, this has gotta get washed. This is just what I put in Casey's lunchbox. But I have another avocado, so I can do 1/4 of this in that other salad. Chips for my side to go with my salad. And then these are like frizzled onion cucumber things. And I will have these in my salad as well. And then for dinner, I have chicken, potatoes, and veggies in there. And I want to say that is everything that I do to get ready for a 2-day trip. You guys packed with me, you meal prepped with me. You saw what clothes I packed. I think all I added was like pajamas and maybe an extra pair of underwear because there is bad weather tomorrow and Thursday, just in case. So in the morning, I'll just put all of this into my lunchbox and we will be ready to go on our 2-day trip. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this adventure today, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye guys.